or welcome back to my channel, A Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanchari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls. And today's makeup video is on this eye look, which is Purple Sunset Smoky look. I have kept this look very simple so that even my viewers, my audience can recreate this moment with me. So if you want to know how we can achieve this look, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Hey everyone, I have already done my base makeup. Eyes are also primed. Now let's move on to our eye makeup. I am using this purple lipstick from Colourpop. This will act as my base for the next shade. You can use any purple lipstick that you have in your collection, and I'm blending it out with a blending brush. With that purple shade from the Galaxy Shine Eye Magic palette, I will diffuse and blend the edges of that liquid lipstick. With that orange shade, I will further diffuse the edges of that purple shade, and I'm taking my time to blend the edges. This will make my shadows very smooth and diffused. Next, taking that yellow shade from the palette, and I will blend the edges of that orange shade, and this will give me that effect of sunset eye look. Here I am re-intensifying every color to make my eyeshadows pop. Now I am taking my Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner and I will be doing a cat eye winged liner. To amp up this whole eye look, I'm going to use this gold eyeliner and I will place it on top of that black eyeliner that we had used. I'm going to highlight the brow bone and the inner tear duct area with my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Cloud 9. Using my Stay Quirky black kajal to line my top and bottom waterline. We will smoke out our lower lash line and I will be using the same colors that we have used on our eyelids. First we will use that purple shade to smoke out that kajal, then that orange to smoke out the purple shade, and finally yellow. Moving back to the face, using this Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronzer, and I will contour the outer perimeters of my face like the cheekbones, the jawline, the forehead, and also I will use the same brush to contour my nose as well, and I will be using this in very light layers. To bring back some warmth to our face, I will use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I will use a bronzer brush to bronze up my face. To blush the apples of our cheeks, I'm going to use the Savannah colored blush palette. Then comes my most favorite part, that is highlighting the highest points of my face, and I will use the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Cloud 9. Curling the eyelashes before using mascara changes the whole lash game, and for today's mascara I am going to use Essence Volume Stylist, and I will be coating my top and bottom lashes. Applied my fake lashes off camera. Now we are moving on to our lips, and I'm using these two combination. The lip liner is from Swiss Beauty and the liquid lipstick is from Colourpop in the shade Love Bug. Using a lip gloss just on the center of my lips, this will take the whole entire eye look and the face makeup to another level. Coming to the end of this tutorial, using Wet n Wild makeup setting spray to set and lock all the makeup in place, and here is the completed look.